How to create a LinkedIn account. Well, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. So if you would like to do that, then keep watching till the end. And if this video was helpful to you, then please do let me know in the comments. But let's get started. So I simply search for LinkedIn and I'll just click on the first link over here. This will bring me over to the Join LinkedIn section. And here I want to fill in my email address and then my password. Then I'll simply click on agree and join. By the way, you can actually continue with Google as well, but I'll just click on this. You have to enter your first and last name and then click on continue. Here you want to fill in your location. So first fill in your country region, then your postal code, and then your location within this area, and then click on next. It says your profile helps you discover new people and opportunities. So you have to fill in your most recent job title, or you can actually fill in that you are a student if you are, but I'll just fill in something like video editor, employment type. I'll just do like freelance, and then most recent company. I'm a YouTuber, so let's just say YouTube, I guess. And then you can click on continue again. Now you have gotten an email with a code to confirm your email address. So just check your email and then fill that code in. And then here you have to choose a couple of options. So you can actually select, yes, I'm actively looking for a new job. Not really, but I would consider the right opportunity, or no, I'm not interested in any job opportunities. So here you can actually decide which one you would like to do. Now I'll just stick with the no, I'm not interested. But if you are, then you can actually choose one of these two. And there you can, for example, fill in a job that you would actually like. And then when recruiters are looking through LinkedIn, they can actually find you and, for example, recruit you. But I'll just stick with the no, then click on next. Here it says add your email contacts to see who you already know. So you can, for example, add your email address. And if you've saved contacts from your phone, for example, with your email address, then they'll see you as well. Or you can simply skip if you would like to. So here you can, for example, already connect with people. So you can connect with all of these people that have the same job and, for example, worked at the same company as you have. So you can, for example, connect with all of them here, or you can skip this, but this is actually recommended. So I can, for example, just connect, and that's actually pretty cool. And then you can simply click on next. Here you also have to add a profile picture. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll just skip this, but you can do that, preferably your own face. Let's click on skip. Here it says get the app to stay ahead. So here you can, scan this QR code or just go to the App Store, download the LinkedIn app, click on next. And I think this is basically it. Oh, here you can actually follow companies. You can, for example, follow companies that you would like to work in or simply just like, for example, Adobe Creative. I use, for example, After Effects and Premiere Pro. So I can, for example, follow this, which is pretty cool. And yeah, so here you can click on finish. Yeah, there we go. We're now in LinkedIn. Now you are ready to use it however you would like to. I hope this video helped you out. Please do let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.